In this video, let me show you how to quickly add a purchase transaction directly to JuanTax with a few simple steps. Let's go! On your dashboard, click on the menu option on the upper left corner of the screen. Then click on Transactions. On the next screen, click on the Purchases tab. Click on Add Transaction, then select Add Manual. Select the vendor from the list or add it if it's not added to the system yet. Enter all necessary information based on the details on your official receipt or sales invoice. You will notice that the tax amount and the net amount is calculated automatically. Click on Save. Once saved, you have the option to attach an image of the invoice or receipt for reference. You also have the option to add payment, edit the purchase transaction, and to mark the purchase transaction as posted. It's that easy. Visit JuanTax Academy at academy@one.tax for in-depth JuanTax tutorials.